Want to meet 5 amazing words? Well, you have come to the right place. Word number 1 is my favorite, and word number 3 I guarantee will become your favorite after you watch this particular video and the Salman Khan connection with this particular word. Now, this is Amit Kumar Mehta, and I have been operating Wordaholics as a platform for working executives, for housewives, for students, for any particular learner in English who is curious about difficult English vocabulary so that they can sound sophisticated in the work-life environment, impress their friends, relatives, colleagues, and score more in various competition exams which require English as a mandatory component. Today we'll be discussing 5 difficult words, 5 amazing words also. This will really enhance your vocabulary and help you sound sophisticated and score more. Starting with word number 1 is sagging. Sagging is basically when something hangs down, dangles, slumps. Look at the visual that we have provided. Hindi would be ढीलापन and झूल जाना. Antonym is bulge and rise. Pronunciation is sagging. So what is the Wordaholics way? What is the brain friendly way of remembering this particular word? Look at the visual that we have provided and imagine sarson da saag. If you try to keep that vegetable straight, it will not be straight. It will always keep on sagging. It will be bending in nature. It will be hanging down. So that is how you remember sagging as a word. Now, what are the various usages? Sagging futures of the IT company, IT sector. IT sector is not seeing good growth. It is sagging. The growth is hanging down. Sagging economy. The economy is not growing good. Sentence 1. Kabil seems to be less of a film and more of a desperate effort to resurrect Hrithik's sagging image as a bankable star. So his popularity was actually going down, was sagging, Hrithik's popularity, and that is why this movie Kabil was made. Sentence 2. China makes more than half of the world's steel, but the sagging global demand has left China with massive excess capacity. Because of no demand, because of zero demand, because of a decreasing demand, sagging demand, China has been left with an excess capacity. There is a lot of raw material left with China to sell. Now sentence 3 and 4 once again you can do on your own by pausing the video. We'll be moving on to the word 2 for the day. Word 2 is salience. Salience basically means prominence. Something जो कि उभर के बाहर आता है, किसी चीज़ की खासियत. That is prominence. Antonym is depression, lack. Pronunciation is salience. Now, what is the brain-friendly way, Wordaholics way of remembering this particular word for a very, very long time? Imagine this word, salience, to be the opposite of silence. What is silence? Silence is something that is not visible, something that is not audible. And salience is something that is visible, audible, and highly prominent in nature, which comes out as a ubhar. खासियत की तरह वो दिखता है आपको, that is salience. Usage, the issue has assumed salience. Are gaining salience. Sentence 1. The Pacific and Indian Oceans are poised to acquire greater strategic salience for the major powers of the 21st century. It has assumed a strategic salience. वो उभर के आया है, वो important topic हो गया है. Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Sentence 2. Saregama, also known as HMV, relies increasingly on music lovers in the country to enhance its brand salience. It wants to improve its performance. It wants to improve the prominence of this particular brand. That is why it is targeting music lovers in the country. Sentence 3 and 4 you can do on your own by pausing the video. And for all the students, just wanted to give a quick reminder. The link to all these 1200 words are available in the link of this particular YouTube description. Just go to that particular link and download all the 1200 words that we have created through this brain-friendly way of remembering words. Moving on to the next word for the day, which I told you will become your favorite. The word is salubrious. Salubrious basically means healthful, beneficial for health, good for one's health. Hindi would be swasth, tandurust. Antonym is unhealthy. Pronunciation is salubrious. Now what is the brain-friendly Wordaholics way of remembering this particular word? Look at the visual on the left hand side. Look at the underlined portion. Salubro. That is what the word looks like. Salubrious, if you underline it, looks like salubro, as in Salman Bhaijan. Now, Salman Bhaijan is known for his concern for his health. He eats highly healthful foods and he is totally devoted to his health. So that is salubrious for you. What are the various usages? Salubrious options, salubrious surroundings. Sentence 1. The dietitian suggested more salubrious diet for my mom if she wanted to maintain her diabetes in the normal range. Sentence 2. The Salubrious app Health Check 24/7, which tracks blood sugar and calories intake to all its patients. So these are salubrious options for anybody who is unhealthy. Sentence 3 and 4 once again you can do on your own by pausing the video. We'll be moving on to the next word for the day, which is salvage. Salvage basically means to rescue something, to save somebody, to restore somebody. Hindi would be bachana and raksha karna. Antonym is abandon and lose somebody. Pronunciation is salvage. Now look at the visual that we have provided, the brain friendly way to remember this particular word. Look at the visual that we have provided. A big monster, call that particular monster a savage, was sent to kill that particular lady, but he's trying to save that lady. A savage was sent to kill, but he's not killing, he's saving. The savage has been sent to kill the particular lady, but he's saving. That is how you remember this particular word. Salvaging is saving. The savage was sent to kill, but he's trying to save that particular person, is how you remember this particular word. Usage: salvage India's reputation, save India's reputation, salvage their investments, saving people's investments. Sentence 1. With the series already out of India's grasp, Dhoni's men will be desperate to salvage some pride. They're just trying to save their image in the 4th ODI. Sentence 2. Kapil is trying all his luck to salvage the show. To save the show, he's just trying all his luck, after many of his co-stars have supposedly left Kapil Sharma's show. Sentence 3 and 4 once again you can do on your own. We'll be moving on to the last word for the day, which is salvo. Salvo means a barrage, a bombardment of arrows, or bombardment of questions, a bombardment of concerns, a volley, a burst of things. Hindi would be bauchar. That is the best way to remember this particular word. Bauchar is the Hindi meaning of this particular word. Salvo. Antonym is trickle and drip. Something is going in huge numbers, that is salvo, that is bursting, and something that is trickling down, drop by drop, is the opposite of salvo. Now, what is the brain-friendly wordaholics way of remembering this particular word? Now, look at the visual that we have provided. A scene from the movie 300. The hero of the movie is trying to save all his people, from the salvo, from the barrage of arrows that were coming from the right hand side of the visual. So he's trying to save all his people from the arrows which were coming. The hero is trying to save from the arrows. That is how you remember this particular word, the brain friendly way. Now, what are the various usages? An opening salvo, an election salvo. Sentence 1. Senior Kapoor has been using Twitter as his weapon to fire his salvo. Senior Kapoor, Rishi Kapoor, who is no more as of now, was using Twitter as his weapon to fire his, the bombardment of questions, concerns on Twitter. Sentence 2. As part of the latest salvo against Reliance Jio, Vodafone and Airtel have unveiled a new prepaid plan offering 84 GB of data for 84 days. Now, that is their salvo to save their position from the onslaught of Reliance Jio. Sentence 3 and 4 once again you can do on your own. With that particular word, we have reached the end of the presentation for today. And as I keep on saying, keep sounding sophisticated by learning these words and keep scoring more. If you have not liked it, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, because once you subscribe and press the bell icon, you will be receiving all the notifications for the words that we keep on sending on a daily basis. Apart from that, I would also urge you to go visit our playlist section in the channel, where you will get more than 200 words discussed through this particular easy method of remembering words, so that you can sound sophisticated and keep scoring more. With that particular thought in mind, I would like to sign off and say thank you to all of you for increasing the subscriber base. It has now reached around 215, and I hope you'll keep on loving us the way you are loving us. Thank you so much.